Incremental greetings. This is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Today I want to share with you one of the things that today I want to do. I'm inclined to do. Here I have one example sentence that, okay, so I have women are twice as likely to experience specific phobias compared to men. So if I want to close the demographic, the gender of women, what will happen is that I'm giving away the answer already, because it's a binary relationship. So if it's not women, it's men, and men it's there. So I know for a fact that if it's not men, it's women. So one of the possibilities, if you don't want to reformulate it's written, is closing this again. You can do that. Let me delete that. If you copy this, you will notice that you lose the styling. You keep the cut light but not the color, right? If it's okay, you can leave it like this. Or alternatively, you can just open the file, you have this, you just copy and paste that. And now you have 2 times the cloze deletion. And perhaps you want to include this gender. So one gender are twice as likely to experience specific phobias compared with another gender. You could put this, since it's binary, there's no need to make gender. So I could put, for instance, male, female. So I know it's more explicit, more obvious that it's a binary relationship here. If I choose one, the other option will be the other one. And it doesn't need to be woman, man, or boys, girls, male, female. So I always use the same for consistency, even the answer is not exactly female. And usually I use a comma or a semicolon. That's one idea, because here I don't want to recall how much is more likely, twice, or the fact that one is more likely than the other. I'm interested on who is more likely, which demographic is more likely. In this case, it's woman. And I could also rephrase this. So let me make a duplicate. The other gender, women. That's equivalent. So this is rather a personal taste if you want Q&A and if you want more to rephrase and make your own items more suitable for you, or you just want to keep going with the selections. As you can see, Supermemo, it's not meant to have this solution, to have more than one cloze deletion. You can very quickly and easily do it, but if it's not meant to do, it's because it's not encouraged to do that, I think. I think the most conservative approach is this one, which is actually just reformulate the item. Now I get the same. It's okay with gender, and it's more than that and the other gender. And as you can see, instead of gender, I'm putting the cloze deletion with male/female. So it's almost the same. Instead of the Q, and here I could also put gender and gender. So I'm just making more aesthetically obvious that it's a binary relationship than here. That's pretty much it. So I really don't think which one is better than the other. I have done both in the past. That's up to you. If you have been using Supermemo, please let me know how you tackle these items. Do you use that solution, the phrasing, or the double cloze deletion? And let me know your opinion on that. Based on your experience, if you noticed one is more suitable for you than the other.